truck week looks like, this is it right here. I've never seen so many trucks in my entire life. Look at that truck right there. How does he see? Look at that purple truck right there. I'm gonna stop right here. I'd love to see his point of view because I don't know how he's seeing the road right now. Look at all of these trucks. I feel so left out. I'm the only one in the car. Dead ass. Look at that truck. Oh my. Look at this truck. Look at this truck. Dude, that looked like a train compared to my car. I'm up to his wheels. Look at that. The truck was huge. Alright, should my next car be a big ass truck? Look at those guys. Oh man, I like that. Dude, we're so low we can't even see the trucks. We're like looking at their wheels. Oh, I like that. Oh, yes. A fellow muscle car. Oh, 2 of them. And they're Mustangs. Oh my gosh. I could literally lay under that truck and be A-okay. Dang, I should have came here in the Mustang and got some reactions. Look at that truck, man. It's a clean ass Charger. Look at those wheels. Now, I'm not a big fan of brown, but I do like that one. Maybe some bigger wheels or tires would look better on that car or truck. If I say car, my bad. I'm so used to saying cars. Can't even see the truck. You can see his wheels. Yeah, I don't get how they see out of that truck. Beats me. Oh my gosh, that truck. Nope, might have been the worst one yet. Like the whole front end is just, I don't know how you do that. Oh, that is so clean. Right there. There's another one. And another one. Like, put the booty up, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down. I have Cash App. All right, let's go. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It goes like that, bro. Where are we meeting? Well, if I find a Hellcat, we got a race. Look at that thing. Oh, he just lowered the trunk. What is happening right now? That right there should be classified as a monster truck. Is that street legal? Holy crap. That suspension probably costs more than my entire car. Oh, we got some cops. Just to get to the main strip of Daytona where we were just at. Look at this. telling me to do burnouts, but I ain't doing no burnout. I'll rev, but I ain't doing no burnout. Just look at all those people. Well, it's a good thing that I got there early. Yes, give me the smoke. All right, now we are by the Speedway, Daytona 500, and I think there's an event like happening in there. That's why there's a huge line. Dang, look at this truck right here. It's probably really expensive. Look at that monster truck behind us. I bet you it's so slow.
No fucking way. No bleeping way, actually, I should say.
Insane, dude.
This thing is crazy, dude.
Check out
his fucking catch.
Dude, it's huge. That thing is. Yeah, I told you. You didn't want to listen to me, and then his hood though.
This has to be over 1,000, right?
Thumbs up for John cleaning the windshield, you know, now we can see better.
Listen to that thing.
That thing is rowdy.
I can hear it from a car behind. That's what you know.
Inside a thumping car.
Trucks over here, trucks over there.
You get a truck. You get a truck. Everybody get a truck.
Hey, us Corvettes, we're taking over the truck week.
2 cam Corvettes.
Oh my!
One more!
Oh my!
I don't know if I got that, bro, but hey.
That was fucking crazy.
Take the child lock off right now. I'm keeping it whole rolling right now.
That was crazy, bro.
Yo, can you do that one more time for me, bro? Please, 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 please. Woo! That was fucking nasty.
What the fuck, bro?
John, that was nasty. Oh, that's clean. Oh my god.
Dude, wasn't that crazy?
I didn't expect it, bro. Like, it just smacked me in the face.
He was fucking two-stepping that truck, and then he said, "Bup, bup, bup." My jaw dropped, bro. Oh my gosh, what's that smell? I'm weak. Oh shoot! Doing a burnout? Oh my gosh. We took a back road and it's this packed. We got 2 camped Corvettes. Look at all those trucks at the gas station. Oh my gosh.
And a cop conducting traffic. Oh my god. That thing is huge.
How do you get in it?
I'm sure he has a step stool. They don't.
Oh my!
I missed it.
He's gonna do it again. Look, they're all telling him to rev. No, you just blew smoke at me, but the flames almost melted your bumper.
Dude,
we got the whole thing on camera, bro.
We got it on camera. got the drive shaft out.
Oh, that's a drive shaft.
And she's putting it in the fucking
I
back.
thought the